Scotch-Brighted this well enough, I hope. But we're going to take this cheap Mandalorian Nerf rifle blaster plasma thing and pimp it out. Just a little bit. I'm not going to go too crazy. I don't have that much time. Always do a dust coat, kids. If you just lather on a whole bunch of paint, it's probably going to fisheye and run everywhere and look terrible. Do this first. Let it get good and sticky or dry, and then do your actual paint after that. The silver is done on this side. I had to slide that back and paint under it, so I got a little too much paint there. You can see there's a little less texture than there's the rest of it. It's not too bad. Didn't fisheye, so that's cool. Let's throw some tint on it and call it a day. It's not perfect, but it's not too shabby. Looks a lot more like some sort of metal, gunmetal instead of chrome. So that is good. It's really hard in the light in here. I swear it's mostly even. It looks very uneven with the camera. Got the little silver stripes taped off. Good enough. Got a nice coat of black on there. And for this, got some more of the lens tint stuff on the stock. And then after it's all dry, I'm going to hit it with some Scotch-Brite, so hopefully it fills in some of the little textured bits. And then it looks a little more like wood. That's not too shabby, right? I left the tip orange so we can do Comic-Con stuff without, I don't know, the cops getting called or getting shot or whatever. Not too bad for the absolute minimal amount of work. Now, word of advice, if you're gonna do this, go real easy on that black paint. I did not, and even just getting here, my arm is real tired. So yeah, unless you want to do a whole lot of scrubbing, or if you want the stock real dark, take it easy on the black tint on the stock. The idea is working though. See, all the deep stuff's all nice and filled in, and all the light stuff's all wood looking. It does look a lot more like wood. It's just like 4 shades darker than I wish it was. Pretty friggin' sweet, honestly. For 3 cans of spray paint. That looks better in person. That one dark stripe isn't nearly as pronounced as it is in the video. I mean, it's there, but it's really not bad. So there you go. If you want to get one of these and pimp it out real quick with the absolute least amount of work, that's how you do it. I hope my nephew digs it, because if not, it sucks for him. One thing I should note is when you cock it, it's gonna scrape this area here. It's just gonna happen. You can see there's a little bit going on right there. But I mean, what fun is it if you don't use it? And it's rustic anyway, so it just adds to the flavor.